Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite dessert, very light and simple to make. It's going to be a fruit tart. So let's get started. Let's make the crust first. I'm gonna use fruit processor to mix my crust, but if you don't have one of these, don't worry about it. You can do it in a pan or bowl and just mix it up together. So let's begin. Flour. I got 1 cup of brown sugar. I got 1 cup of butter, unsalted butter. I cut it up a little so it's easy to mix in here. So I'll put that in there. And just tiny pinch of salt. And that's about it. So let's mix it up until they get crumbly and the dough come together. This crust is really good. I actually did a lot of crust testing and I ended up making these, and since then it's one of my favorites. So I hope you'll try them and you can use it with different kind of filling. But today I'm doing the fruit tart. Go. And voila. So I'm gonna dump it on the counter. Make sure I have, and make sure your hand is clean before you do this. Yes, I washed my hand before I started doing this, so I'm good to go. So I'm just gonna mix these together until it's all combined. Like that. Okay. So it's nice and soft. And it's very buttery. And that's what we're looking for, because it's gonna make the crust taste really good. Brown sugars really gives it a flavor. All right. So I have one of these tart pan that the bottom come off, okay? And what I do is take about half of it and spread it, press it all over, and see, don't be afraid to just keep pushing. It's not sticky, so there we go. And you don't really want it to be really thick in the bottom, so if you can make it thinner but not see through the bottom, that will be perfect. Alright, see how it goes like that. And then if you just skip, make it like that. So this is, I'm gonna preheat my oven for 325, and you're going to bake these in there for 10 to 13 minutes. You kind of watch it because it depends on your oven, no? I use conventional oven all the time because I like to get that lightly brown on the bottom, because the air goes, when you cook in a conventional oven, it's usually just pushing all that hot air going all around the pan, all the way on the bottom. So you get that nice crust in the bottom. But if you don't have that, you just use regular bake and just keep watching it, because you don't want this crust to be burned. Right. There you have it. So now this is gonna go to the oven for 10 to 13 minutes. Then check it, make sure it's lightly brown, and then you take it out and put it on top of the cooling rack and let it sit there for a few minutes. Okay, so our tart crust is done and it's cool enough to transfer it into a serving plate. So I'm going to show you how, like I said, it's very easy to come off. Just like that. And then you put this away. Don't burn yourself by taking it out. So I have a serving plate, and what I do is either you take this bottom pan if you bring it to someone, if you go somewhere, or you can leave it if you're gonna eat it in the house. But to take it out, you can use a knife, or I have this spatula, and you just kind of run it around gently in here, and then it'll come off. So I'm going to show you. I'm just going to run it in the corner, just go around, and it come off easy, and it looks like that. See? Okay, so I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to set it in my serving plate, just like that. And that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to put this aside, and we're going to make my cream. Okay, so I got 2 cups of whipped cream, and I got this French cream. They call it creme fraiche, or I don't know if I pronounce it right, but you get the message. So I got 1 cup of this cream. So I'm going to put them all together in my mixer. And make sure your bowl is chill. Put them in the freezer, and it will help to whip the cream easy and faster. I got 1 cup of these, and just dump it in here. Supposed to give it the flavor, and I love this cream mixed together with this French cream. It's very light. That's what I like about it. Okay, so we're going to beat that up. Then I have 4 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't want to put some sugar in it, I put some of this sugar. I just want it a little bit sweet, not too sweet. So just kind of put it in there. Clean the side, make sure I got all the side in there. Alright, that looks good. See, that was really quick. If you chill your bowl and your whisk, it's not that long to do it. So put them in there, and put this aside. Put this in the sink. Then I'm going to take my tart over here. Okay. And then I'm going to take this out. Take it out. And kind of put this in there. Okay. So, I cut up my fruit already. I got raspberry, strawberry, kiwi. I'm going to put them on top, but first I'm going to scoop my cream and put them on my tart pan, just like that. Alright, and you don't have to put all the cream if you don't want to. You can save it and you can use them for something else. Put them in your refrigerator. There we go. And just kind of stir it around, spread it around. So that we're going to do is, okay, put that away. So I'm going to put the blueberry all around. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just go around faster. There we go. Just like that. Okay. Just in the edge. Do it there. Alright. There we go. Just make it pretty a little. So you have. Okay. Then I'm going to put my straw. There we go. I mean, this fruit tart is so light. And it's yummy. Okay. And we're finished. Look at that. Enjoy this. You can share it with your family and friends. There we go. Fruit tart. Homemade. Okay. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.